What do you say? Here, take it. Here. Here. Here, Nisa, have some more coleslaw. Here. Here. You want an Oreo? You want Oreo? Come here. Come here, let's talk business. Come here. Vente pa acá. ¿Tú quieres Oreo? I know you do. Come here, let's talk business. Come here. Come here. Come close to the camera. Say hello. Say hello to all the people.
No hello.
Oh. Nisa, do you want Oreo?
Oh, that's disgusting. Yes. Oh.
Nacho Libre. Because she's about to come through the hole.
She's too fat.
She's fat? That's not really nice, Nisa. Like you?
Yes. Look, when this is over, the other man was like, he took the corn and he threw it, and he got, and the guy that was like this, got right in his eye, and he was like, ah.
Parting.
Now he's gonna whoop. Now he's gonna come. Ma, look closely. Look closely. Look, watch closely. Watch. Real close. Don't move away. Watch. When he gets that corn, he's going to throw it in his eye. Look. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
That looks like you when you eat donuts.
Don't move. No!
Craziness. I love you guys.